Speaking, I'm worried about Sam. Can you still remember what happened to Terele on Izingane September season 2? So anyway, guys, let's get to sort of today. The rest of the house. Samane Piz and Vosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, so like it, comment, say happy Wednesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to sort of today. So for those who don't know what's going on, Uthando Nethemba season 9 officially comes to an end this Wednesday and Thursday, with each episode running for an hour, guys. So we all know that Uthando Nethemba, guys, this is the only reality show that keeps on changing their schedule due to the public demand. They really are the biggest show on national TV, guys. So today and tomorrow it will be the end of Uthando Nethemba, guys. Although people are saying, can you please come back for season 10? People, guys, are worried and Samke, guys, they just felt like all season or Samke, she gave us nothing. Do you still remember when Izingane Nethemba officially ended? Utirel, especially on season 2, Utirel, she was dragged until season 3, guys. So people are saying, first of all, we already see the trailer where Mosamsalaka is begging Samke to make more babies. So people, they'll be focusing on Samke Kule season, guys. We all know that the Mzumbe people, they have nothing to tell us, guys. They are always hiding. So people, they will be focusing on Samke. Everything that was Samke, she will be posting on her Instagram account. They will be dragging, especially if fan base Tobile, guys. When Mosamsalaka is not posting with Samke, people will call Samke a baby machine. At least these 2 episodes, they should give us something when it comes to Samke. Maybe they should say they are currently preparing her wedding, they are going to pay the bride price. If they don't tell anything with Samke, guys, I'm really worried, because people look at Samke as nothing, as a woman who's busy waiting for men to give her money, guys. So people are saying, season, you gave us nothing. Wife number 5, another person they're going to drag season, obviously the one and only wife number 4, Mangwabe, guys. People are saying, Mangwabe, she better stay away from social media, because she gave us nothing season, guys. The only people that they feel like they give us more, obviously, we have to give it up to Tobile, guys. Let's give Tobile her flowers. I feel like this season it was meant for Tobile, guys. The second one, obviously, Coco Flo. The third one, it has to be Mosamseleko. And then the fourth one, let me give it to Matele, guys. I just feel like Matele Kule season, she gave us a little bit of drama. I love this for Matele, guys. She was trending on Twitter. It was the first time I see Matele trending, guys. As for Maine, she's always the queen of queen, guys. She gave us a little bit of drama, but I didn't feel cool season. I felt like she was just chill, relaxing, focusing Shabine, guys. Let's hopefully this coming 2 episodes, she's gonna give us some more. Obviously, Snake. One thing about Snake, guys, is Izingane Nethemba, Uthando Nethemba, uphethe yonke indawo, guys. As for Mpumelelo, guys, nothing. I cannot say anything, guys. So Enhle, I cannot say anything. Also, Mawande, yeah, we see Mawande. We want Mawande on Izingane Nethemba. Please, can you bring Mawande that side? Because I can say she has a lot to say, guys. Yeah, so people are saying a lot of stuff when it comes to the end of Uthando Nethemba season 9. Others are happy to say, Kesana, our mental health, we were going through a lot. Some people do get triggered. We know that. You look at Makumali, you're thinking, if I was in a situation, I would have walked away. There are people that are looking up to Mayeni. They think, I want to be Mayeni one day, but the way she's making her decision, I don't think I want to be her. People have so much hope for Makumalo to walk away, guys. As for Mangwawe, they have lost the hope, guys. People are also forcing Makwela to say, Makwela, it's not too late. You can move on and get a better man. But obviously, she's not going to listen to you, guys. She's only going to listen umfana indota yake ubaba Mseleko. So it's a lot that is going on, guys. There's a lot of mixture of emotions. People are just, some are really angry at Makwela, guys, to say, Makwela, you can do better than this. You don't deserve this man. You can get a rich man. You are young. You're beautiful. Go back to work. You have a degree. Guys, social media, guys. Some people are saying, vele indoda yamacele lena. Macele has a right to do whatever she's doing to these other wives. They have no right to say, because nabo bangene kusithembu knowing very well that they're going to share a husband. Some are saying Toby, she's bitter because now she's old, she's 37. Oh, Makwela, she's 26. She's jealous of Makwela. She wanted to be the only young wife. So people are saying a lot of stuff. When it comes to Mangwabe, others are saying Mangwabe, she's always want to be big. She knows very well if Uyahamba Musamseleka will run after her. So that's her strategy to show Musamseleka still care about her. So it is what it is. Tell me in the conversation what do you think about it. Guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.